Hey guys, Cynical here, and today I will be talking about the basic number system and the concept of a number line. Now, let me ask you, what number system do we actually use? Well, the number system that we use is called the decimal system. And it has numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, side note, if you haven't seen these numbers before, don't worry. Just memorize the order, and I guarantee that you will be fine. Coincidentally, the order that I wrote these numbers in is how we even begin counting. Now, how do I represent these numbers maybe, perhaps, better? Well, I can represent them on a line. This is what we actually call a number line. Another small side note again. I will just be telling you some terminology and some notation that I will be using throughout this video. So, terminology, I'm going to be using the word set. And for us, that will just mean a group of numbers. Specifically, when I refer to set, you can think of the numbers 0 to 9 for now. And some notation that I will be using is a thing called an ellipsis. It is notated by 3 dots. And I will use this as a sort of save space. What I mean by that is, when you see these 3 dots, it will mean there are numbers here, but I'm not going to be writing them because I want to save, essentially, space on the paper. So we will say save space. Now, I have my basic number line here from 0 to 9. But how might I extend this? Because it seems a bit bare right now. Well, in math, we absolutely adore repetition. So, I will have my numbers of 0 to 9 again. And let's put down another set of numbers from 0 to 9. Oh no, I need to extend this. Okay, so that's all fine and dandy. But now I have 2 sets of 0 to 9. I need to somehow differentiate this set, which I will call the base slash 0th set, I need to somehow differentiate this set from the next set of 0 to 9. Well, let me ask you, what number comes right after 0? It's 1, right here. So let's differentiate this set of 0 to 9 with a 1 in front. And I will call this my first set of 0 to 9. Now, let's just keep extending our number line. Oh, side note, these numbers here, they have names. This is called 10, that's called 11, that's called 12, 13, 14, 15, so on up until 19. Now, let's keep extending my number line. So just pretend that this number line continues from here to there. Again, let's repeat the process of putting down numbers 0 to 9 first. Ellipses, that just means there are numbers here, like 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on, but I am saving space. So the numbers here are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but I'm just saving space here. Now again, I need a way to differentiate this first set with the next set. So, remember. Oh, by the way, this is the first set. The first set. What number comes right after 1? Our first set. Well, it's 2. This is our second set of 0 to 9. These also have names, such as 20, 21, 22, 23, so on up until 29. And this is our second set of 0 to 9. Now let's just repeat this process one more time, because 3 is a charm. Again, pretend this number line keeps extending here. So I have 28, 29, this is my second set. And I repeat the process of putting down 0, 1, 2, 3, up until 9. And what number comes after 2? Well, it is indeed 3. So this is our third set of 0 to 9. And we can just keep extending our number line on and on, up until we might even get to a number called 90, 91, 99, and this 9 in front of my set of 0 to 9 means this is the 9th set. I like blue. Well, that's fine, but what number comes after this one, called 99? Well, let's just actually repeat the process one more time and see how we bridge this gap between 99 and this unknown number. Well, remember, looking at our number line here, we had the numbers 0 up until 9. What number came after 9? It was 10. So, repeating the process, we know that since this is the 9th set of numbers, 0 to 9, the number after 9 is 10. So, we have successfully gone past 99 and to this number called 100. In summary, what we have covered today is the decimal system, and that just means numbers 0, 1, 2, all up until 9. and the concept of a number line and how to extend such a number line. Just a quick side note, as you could see from before, the only way that I could bridge this gap from 99 to 100 was to know what number came after 9, and that was indeed 10. And we only got this far from constructing our very basic number line from 0 up until 9 and up until 10. So we actually see, just to keep extending this number line, we build on previous knowledge. And something for homework would be, familiarize yourself with numbers and their names, such as 1, 2, 100. Know all the names from 1 up until 100. So that's the number 1, and that's the number 100. Thank you very much.